So, good morning folks. This morning I'm cooking a traditional Sri Lankan curry, a fish curry. So my fish is all done. It's been marinated with lemon juice and a bit of salt. And the fish is Spanish mackerel, very famous fish in our part of the world. So I'm just finishing off cutting up these onions. And I've got my ginger cut up, garlic, and these are my curry leaves from my garden produce, and this is fenugreek. Heat is going till the onions get glassy, and it's ready then for the next step. I'm going to add a bit of chili powder. The next is turmeric. And give it a bit of a stir. And it forms like a paste. Now we're ready to add the fish. Marinated Spanish mackerel. Beautiful fish. The juice in there. Pieces all once. More water there. Gives us a bit more gravy. For about maybe 5 minutes, we tend to not want to cook the fish, overcook it. The final step in the making of the fish curry is adding a bit of fish sauce. Gives it a lovely flavor, not too much. And we add a bit of tomato paste. Makes it really nice and thick. That's it. Give it about 3 minutes. We don't like to overcook the fish. Give it about 2-3 minutes and it's done. Fish curry now.